Discover the Air Jordan 1 Brooklyn Low in pale ivory and racer pink, a modern reinterpretation of the iconic Jordan 1 silhouette. This pair blends a calm, premium canvas-like texture with soft-grained leather, creating depth and everyday versatility. Highlighted by a vibrant racer pink tongue logo, the minimalist palette introduces a subtle pop of color that elevates the design. Its signature chunky sole features a block grid pattern with deep traction, adding sculpted volume and street-ready stability. The tonal swoosh, clean perforations, and discreet heel wings logo tie together a refined look rooted in basketball heritage yet shaped for today's lifestyle scene. With its elevated build and smooth flowing curves, the Brooklyn Low stands out quietly but powerfully on the street. Ideal for sneaker fans seeking comfort, structure, and effortless style, this model delivers a fresh expression of Jordan DNA with a modern edge perfect for daily wear and fashion-forward outfits.